Hey there, Aurora neighbors. If you're looking for the most reliable residential locksmith service in town, let me tell you why My Locksmith Aurora stands out from the rest. First off, your home's security isn't something to take lightly, and neither do we. Whether you need new locks installed, want to upgrade to smart locks, or you found yourself locked out and need help fast, our team is ready 24/7 to get you back on track. We know that emergencies don't wait, so neither do we. But it's not just about speed, it's about trust. Every technician at My Locksmith Aurora is fully licensed, insured, and background checked, so you can feel safe inviting us into your home. We treat your property with respect and always aim for the highest level of professionalism. We also believe in transparent, upfront pricing. No hidden fees, no surprises, just honest work at fair rates. Plus, we use top quality products and the latest tools, ensuring your locks are secure and built to last. Our customers love us because we listen, we care, and we deliver results. It's simple, your safety and satisfaction are our top priorities. So, when you need a residential locksmith you can count on, don't settle for anything less than the best. Contact My Locksmith Aurora today at 720-408-5011. We're here whenever you need us.